Normally, if you're hungry, you just say so, right? But don't do that in a Korean hiking club. Seriously.
아일랜드 출신 여행자 캣은 캐나다 로키 산맥에 살면서 하이킹을 전문으로 하던 베테랑 산악인입니다. 그런 그가 한국의 악명 높은 설악산 공룡 능선을 혼자 넘어야 했습니다. 대피소에서 하루 잠을 자야 했는데 대피소 입실 시간이 정해져 있어 그 시간 안에 도착하지 못하면 입실 자체가 불가능했죠. 아무리 힘들어도 멈출 생각은 없어 보였습니다. 하지만 문제는 그 다음이었습니다. 과연 이 힘든 하루 끝에서 그는 어떤 한국을 만나게 될까요?
Soraksan National Park is widely regarded as the most beautiful in South Korea, and it's home to one of the country's toughest hikes. In this video, I explore this hiker's paradise to experience some heartwarming Korean culture and climb Daechongbong, South Korea's third highest peak, where I'll spend the night in a mountain shelter. The next day, I take on what many consider to be the hardest trail in the country, Dinosaur Ridge. So let's see if it all lives up to the reputation.
Here we go. This is what it's going to be like the rest of the way up. Look at these stone steps. This is what I've come to know and not love of Korean hiking, but more accept of Korean hiking. But check these out. This is going to be what I imagine the trail is like for the rest of the way up, combined with some wooden staircases.
And many sections have a boardwalk to help you on your way. If you haven't already, you'll start to feel the baking heat of the sun from this point as you dip in and out of the forest sections. Although any discomfort is offset by the pleasant sounds of constant rushing water.
This trail follows a river valley the whole way up to this peak, and the whole way along the trail you're walking alongside the river, and there's various rock pools and waterfalls and cascades, and it's so tempting to just jump over and dive into them because the water is so crystal clear. Just look at this.
설악산의 깎아지른 돌계단은 캐나다 베테랑 산악인조차 혀를 내두르게 만들었지만 굽이굽이 흐르는 투명한 계곡물과 절경은 한국 자연의 웅장함을 보여주기에 충분했습니다. 그런데 쉼없이 산을 오르다 체력이 바닥난 채 도착한 첫 번째 대피소에서 그는 서구권에서는 상상조차 할 수 없는 기막힌 돌발 상황과 마주하게 됩니다. 낯선 한국인 등산객들이 홀로 지친 외국인에게 다가와 건넨 충격적인 행동은 과연 무엇이었을까요?
Before you know it, you'll arrive at Yeongpuk Shelter, where, if you stop for lunch, you might get to experience Jung, a Korean cultural concept that describes feeling connected to someone through shared experience, even as strangers. Jung often shows itself through small, caring actions rather than words. Whilst hiking in Soraksan National Park, hikers often experience this in the form of strangers being willing to share their food with them. So be sure to pack some extra rations so that you can return the favour. This is an incredibly heartwarming experience and definitely helps bring you back down to earth through the appreciation of community.
So I've stopped in a shelter to get some food and lunch and take a little water break, and these nice men have given me these guys have given me some gimbap, so thanks very much. 감사합니다. As I've said before, little interactions like that really make this trip, and I'm so thankful for that gimbap. How nice is that, just sharing food? I have heard that as Korean culture to share food when you're hiking. It's so nice, just a nice culture of sharing food, and yeah, a nice bit of community. Now I've just been given a coffee. How nice. 감사합니다.
가파른 산행 중에도 귀한 식량을 이방인에게 아낌없이 내어주는 한국인들의 넉넉한 인심. 삭막한 개인주의에 익숙했던 서양인의 눈에 비친 한국 특유의 정은 그야말로 심장을 울리는 따뜻한 감동이었습니다. 하지만 훈훈한 감동도 잠시 쉼터를 떠나 발걸음을 옮긴 그의 눈앞에 설악산의 진짜 무서운 민낯이 펼쳐집니다. 산전수전 다 겪은 산악인마저 헛웃음을 짓게 만든 자비 따위는 단 1%도 없는 공포의 지옥 코스는 대체 어떤 모습이었을까요?
Then it's nothing but long metal staircases, steep stone steps, and no mercy. It's the kind of climb that tests your legs and your mindset.
It is steep. It is about, I don't know what the grade would be, somewhere between 35 and 25, probably 30. But it's steep and it's relentless, and I'm actually enjoying it. It's not bad.
수미터 끝까지 차오르는 마일 30도 경사 구간. 하지만 다리가 끊어질 듯한 고통 속에서도 한국 명산의 험난함을 오히려 즐기는 그의 모습에서 진정한 산악인의 품격이 느껴집니다. 그렇게 악명 높은 오르막을 뚫고 마침내 갈림길에 선 캣. 원래 그의 계획대로라면 절대 가지 않겠다며 다짐했던 곳이 있었는데요. 하지만 바로 다음 순간 그는 홀린 듯이 발걸음을 돌려 어딘가를 향해 직진하기 시작합니다. 도대체 무엇이 그의 굳건했던 결심을 180도 바꿔놓은 걸까요?
We've reached the second shelter. We are at the top of Socheongbong Peak. Now, this is the crossroads. To my left is the highest peak at Daechongbong. To my right is the shelter. And I did say I wasn't going to go to the peak, but it's right there. And now my legs are carrying me to the left. So I guess we're going to the peak. Let's hope it's worth it. Just for your information, here we go. We're seconds away from reaching the top. 1,708 meters. It's a bit windy. Woo! I'm gonna savor this for a minute.
원래 계획까지 포기하게 만들 만큼 강렬하게 그를 이끌었던 곳은 바로 해발 1708m의 대청봉이었습니다. 구름 위를 걷는 듯한 짜릿한 성취감을 안겨준 대한민국 최고의 비경. 하지만 감동은 여기서 끝이 아니었습니다. 산 정상 대피소에 들어선 그에게 또 한 번 한국인들의 엄청난 정폭격이 쏟아지는데요. 거기에 더해 좁은 대피소에 모인 수많은 사람들과 함께 겪은 가슴 벅찬 순간까지 서양인의 인생을 통째로 뒤흔든 산장 속 마법 같은 밤은 과연 어땠을까요?
But I'm very happy. And all I have to do now is enjoy my dinner and I will take you on a little tour in through the shelter. So in another mark of Korean hospitality, I've been given a huge big orange. This is only 1/4 obviously, but the rest is in front of me. I can't get over it. So nice.
On top of that, we were treated to a beautiful sunset, and what made it really magical was that everyone in the shelter watched it together. It really gave me another feel for that concept of Jung, as we were all united by our mutual experience in getting here, and we're now reaping the same rewards.
So after I had my dinner, I sat and watched sunset with a couple of the guests here. It was really serene. It was cool to see everyone just focused on the one thing too.
단지 험난한 산을 함께 올랐다는 이유만으로 거대한 과일을 나눠 먹고 다 함께 일몰을 바라보며 하나가 되는 경이로운 한국의 공동체 문화. 설악산은 웅장한 풍경을 넘어 사람과 사람을 이어주는 따뜻한 마법을 부리고 있었습니다. 하지만 다음날 아침 훈훈했던 어제의 기억을 단숨에 박살내는 무시무시한 최종 보스가 등장합니다. 이름부터 살벌한 공룡 능선에 진입하자마자 그가 다급하게 절벽에 매달려야만 했던 아찔한 실체는 무엇일까요?
The next morning, like many other hikers, I awoke before dawn and headed back up the mountain to enjoy a beautiful sunrise. Honestly, if you ask me, mountaintop sunrises are one of the best experiences available to us. Steep and rocky descents, though, are not, but that's exactly what was needed to reach the start of the infamous Dinosaur Ridge hike. You'll know you've reached the ridge when you see these steep metal handrails to haul yourself up over the ridge. Not only will you be seeing a lot of them, but you'll be using every single one of them. After conquering your first few handrails, you'll reach a viewpoint which offers a few beautiful vistas. You can look back at the Chongbong, or you can look along the ridge that you'll be traversing.
Only about an hour into this trail and it is already more scenic. Look how beautiful this is.
끝없이 이어지는 철제 난간과 낭떠러지. 하지만 생명의 위협. 마저 있게 만드는 공룡 능선의 압도적인 절경은 왜 이곳이 한국 최고의 명산인지 완벽하게 증명해 주었습니다. 숨막히는 절벽부터 가슴 따뜻한 사람들의 정, 한국의 매운맛과 단맛을 모두 맛본 이 베테랑 산악인은 모든 여정을 끝내고 과연 어떤 마지막 평가를 내렸을까요?
Yes, I can easily see why Seoksan is considered South Korea's most beautiful national park, and I would love to return here in the autumn when it's at its most beautiful.